Okay, let us now discuss another interesting question from the paper. It says the bisectors of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersect at an angle of, you are given four choices: 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So, first of all, we will try to make the figure the bisectors of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So, you know that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram when both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. So, here we have A, B, C, D as a parallelogram. So, we see AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Now, the bisectors of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So, I hope you know what are adjacent angles. So, here if you look at this figure, this angle A and angle B are adjacent to each other. Similarly, angle B and angle C is another pair of adjacent angles. Angle C and angle D is another pair of adjacent angles, and angle D and angle A is the fourth pair of adjacent angles. So we can take up any one pair. So let us try to make the figure by taking the pair angle A and angle B, which is an adjacent angle pair. So here it is given the bisectors of the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So bisector meaning I am now making a bisector. Similarly, here I am making a bisector. Bisector meaning it is dividing this angle into two equal parts. So if I write here the measure of this angle is x, the measure of the other part of the angle is also x. So here I have taken L as the bisector, and for this M is the bisector, this ray. So this indicates here if this is y, so this is also y, right? So here in this parallelogram ABCD, we know that angle A plus angle B equals 180 degrees. You know, here angle A and angle B, they are making a pair of co-interior angles. If we see AD is parallel to BC and AB is transversal. So what is the sum of angle A and angle B? It will be equal to 180 degrees. So what is the sum of x and y then, which is in this triangle? If I say mark here O, yes, half of angle A plus half of angle B will be 90 degrees. So that means, can I say x plus y is 90 degrees? So tell me now, what will be this angle? Angle AOB? Perfectly fine. So angle AOB will be, yes, we will be using the angle sum property in the triangle. It will be equal to 180 degrees minus x plus y. So that is 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So answer is 90 degrees. So quickly by looking at it also, you can get a clue, because in the examination you are not going to write down these steps because it's a multiple choice question. Just for the sake of explanation, I have done this for you. But this question might come for 2 marks also. So you should know the steps also. So here what we have done, we have drawn the bisectors and then we have assumed that the bisectors are intersecting at the point O. Then we have taken that angle A plus angle B is 180 because they are making a pair of co-interior angles. Then half of A plus half of B will be 90. So from the figure, x plus y will be equal to 90. So then we can see that in triangle AOB. So here we have to write down triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus x plus y. So that is 180 minus 90. So the answer is 90 degrees. So quickly tell me what is the right choice. Our right choice is this D part. I hope it is clear to you.